okay. As you can see, I'm happy. I'm still grateful. I am healthy, and I was so consistent, you know, running 21.4, and I haven't done that in a season. I only ran 21.4 last year, and to be able to run 3 this year, well, I'm feeling good. I'm happy, you know. I'm super excited.
You've been running so fast for so long this season. How do you balance training through the racing season with being fresh for the big ones?
I think coach has deal with that aspect. Meanwhile, he deal with the recovery and everything. So I think we had done a pretty good job of doing that, and to be holding the peak for so long, it's just a good feeling. And as I said, coach structured the program where I can definitely run faster and faster each time, and I think I've done pretty good this season. So I'm grateful.
And an Olympic season coming up.
Yes.
So for next year, if you can't probably have both. Okay, I know both can coexist, but what would you pick between lowering the world record and winning an Olympic?
Honestly, I haven't put any thought in the Olympic Games as yet. For me, I just take one season at a time. I'm healthy right now, and I have probably 6 weeks, so I want to take my 6-week break and just enjoy. I have been so focused on doing well this season, which I have done, and I just want to focus on having my break, and then I'll go back to the drawing board. But for now, I just want to enjoy the moment. You know, I'm not an athlete that will, next year's the Olympic. Anything can happen, and just want to enjoy the rest of this year, and then coach and I will prepare for next year, because we're supposed to have a talk of everything I've done this season. So as I said, we can go back to the drawing board after my rest, but for now it's just to focus on enjoying the off season.
What does enjoying off season entail? Like for you?
Some family time, have some good food, probably go to the beach or something, but no tracks focus right now.
Shericka, what is the high point of your season?
So many. I think I don't know. High point. Probably World Championship 200. I think that was really the highlight of my championship or my season. So I'm there. You know, I honestly didn't know. I know I was in pretty good shape, but I never know I was going to run that fast, because after the semi-final it had me thinking a little bit, and because I wasn't feeling so well. But I think that was it for me.
Can we talk about your training group, right? Anthony has been doing well. Sade has been doing well, right? Like, everyone seems to be doing well in your group. What's the camaraderie?
Positivity. I think right now we're in the best space possible, like positive energy. We are all our cheerleaders, you know. We don't train all together, but whenever they're running and we're by ourselves, because we know we have sprinters, quarter milers, and we are the cheerleaders. You know, when they're running by themselves, we are just cheerleaders, and I think it's just positive energy where we bring across and we cheer each other on, and the love and support is there. So we have been doing pretty good. Like, everything comes together, just positivity.
And then, just curious, I know you didn't not necessarily think about Olympics, but I know the last Olympics you did go for all 4 events, between 1, 2, 4x1, 4x4. Is that something you want to try again? Get on that 4x4 again?
No. I guess they don't. No.
What are your big goals aside from the world record in the 100 and the relay? What are you focused on?
Funny enough, you know, I just started running the 100 and 200 since 2021. So to be able to run in 10.6 and to be able to run 21.4, so consistent. I think there are so much more I want to achieve. I've not learned and mastered, especially the 100 meter. So there's a lot of stuff coach and I need to work on. We have improved so much this year, and as I said, it's just get some rest and go back to the drawing board. For me right now, I want to achieve so much. You know, one of my goals this year was to run 10.5 right after the Jamaica trials. I did not achieve that. I wanted to break the world record. I did not achieve that. So coach and I will go back to the drawing board. As I said, we have been doing so well this season, and we have done great this season. We just want to go back to the drawing board. I know next year is Olympic year, but it's going to be something special. And as I said, I just want to enjoy this. Finish this and just enjoy, and then we go back right to the drawing board.
Did you enter the deal with the world record on your mind?
No. I think last 2 weeks in Zurich, I think it was more on my mind. But I ran one event last time, so for me personally, I don't think it was on my mind. I don't think the win played in my favor any at all this year. So I was like, no, I just wanted 2 trophies, and I got it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.